So most professional streamers usually use a mirrorless or a DSLR camera as their webcam. If you are not quite there yet in your streaming career, you have the next best thing, which is the Elgato FaceCam. And with only a few setting adjustments, you too can have that DSLR look that we've all been wanting, but only for about $200 instead of $2,000. And I'll show you how. All right, so when you first get your Elgato FaceCam and then set it up with your computer, this is what happens. It's a little terrifying. And you're like, wow, I just bought an old Logitech 90s webcam, apparently. But with a few adjustments of the Camera Hub software that Elgato FaceCam has, and with the Nvidia Broadcast feature, we will get that DSLR look. So first off, take off noise reduction. So I'm already a little bit more crisp.
Extra crispy.
All right. So the exposure, this is one of the only face cams or webcams that you will be literally able to control your shutter speed and composition. Right now it's pretty dark. So just adjust that to where you need it. Think that's pretty good for me. Every time I do this, it just kind of like, okay, think that's good. Saturation's at 69. Nice. You also have a gigantic field of view, which is huge for a webcam of any kind. So if that is something that's very important for you, you got a ton of room. But yeah, you can adjust your field of view. You can make it as tight as you want, or as far away as you want. But the farther away, you actually have a lot more of the background that you can blur up and make it look all DSLR-y and stuff. Just those adjustments alone helps make the camera settings a million times better. So I hope this helps so that you don't have it the way it looks when you first plug it in. Please don't keep your settings like that. Now we're gonna adjust it to the Nvidia Broadcast. So hopefully you have that with your graphics card, and then you get that perfect DSLR look. Chef's kiss. Also, besides the field of view, which is huge, because literally huge field of view, you also have a save feature. Amazing. So let's see if we can switch it to Nvidia. Okay, so now we add the Elgato FaceCam into the camera source, and you can add the background blur. When you add this is what makes it look crisp and beautiful, or makes you look crisp and beautiful because the background's all blurred out. The only thing is that some of the objects in its vicinity will also get blurred out, but it does do a pretty good job trying to figure out what part not to blur out. So because they couldn't quite feature, the webcam can't quite feature the beauty of my purple hair, I have to apply a LUT on the OBS. So I'll show you the difference of what that looks like. So that's blue hair me, and now you can see that this is purple hair me. You can see a lot more purple now with the LUT that's applied. And there you have it. So all you gotta do is do a couple adjustments on the camera hub. Once you get your camera, then you apply the background blur on your Nvidia Broadcast. And then you may or may not, if you have funky color hair, have to apply an LUT just to kind of balance out the color. Hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe, follow me, whatever you want to do in order to get more updates on Elgato and Corsair products. Check out the links below in the description. And if you have any questions, definitely make sure to comment. Thanks so much. Love you all. And I'll see you next time.